we're going to talk very briefly about entailment. So, when does one claim entail another? That's the question. Here's what entailment is. One claim entails another when, if the first claim is true, the second claim has to be true. So claim A entails claim B when wherever A is true, B is true. B has to be true even. Okay, so I have three sets of claims here on the board. And what we want to do is say which one of those two claims entails the other. So for these two claims going that way, one of them entails the other. For these two claims, one of them entails the other. And for these two claims, one of them entails the other. But I haven't shown you which entails which yet. So what I want you to do is take a minute, pause the video, and give answers to these questions. So you can do what I've done here, set them across from each other, and draw an arrow between from the claim that is doing the entailing and towards the claim that is entailed. Or you could just say which one entails the other. See if you can come up with answers to that. So the claims in black here, one of them entails the other. Which one entails which? The claims in red, one of them entails the other. Which one entails which? And the claims in purple, whether you can tell that that's purple or not, one of them does entail the other, but which one entails which? So take a minute now, pause, and try that. Okay. Again, if you paused, this transition makes sense. If you didn't pause, this was an awkward transition. I'm going to talk about which one of these claims entails the other. And what I'm going to do is indicate that by drawing an arrow from the claim that entails to the claim that is entailed by that claim. Okay, so here's a claim, Mariam has long hair. And here's another claim, Mariam has hair. So which one of these claims is such that if it's true, the other one has to be true? The entailment goes this way. If she has long hair, Mariam has to have hair. So if it's true that she has long hair, it can't be false that she has hair. She has to have hair if she has long hair. But it doesn't work the other way. If she has hair, she might have short hair. So this could be true and this false. But it can't be that this is true, but this is false. If this is true, this has to be true. So that Mariam has long hair entails that she has hair, but not the other way around. Okay, let's switch our color code here. Which of these two claims entails the other? Is it that if I'm an adult, I have to be 32 years old? Or is it that if I'm 32 years old, I have to be an adult? Well, it's the other way this time. The arrow goes like this. Because if I am 32 years old, at least on the legal definition of adult, I have to be an adult, right? I might inwardly be a child, but on the legal definition of adult, I'm an adult if I'm 32 years old. But it doesn't work the other way around. I could be an adult and not be 32 years old. I could be 31 or 30 or 33. So that I'm 32 years old entails that I'm an adult. Because if that's true, this has to be true. But not the other way around. Because if this is true, this doesn't have to be true. This could be true and this false. Okay, last one. Go to my purple marker. So Pippin is a mammal, Pippin is a dog. Which one entails the other? In this case, it's going to be like this. Because if Pippin is a dog, he has to be a mammal. But he could be a mammal without being a dog, right? So if he's a dog, he has to be a mammal. The entailment happens this way. This can't be true unless this is true. But it doesn't work the other way. Something can be a mammal and fail to be a dog. It could be a cat or a monkey or something. Just blanked on what a mammal is for a second. Okay, so that's what entailment is.